Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Shamas Shahpal. I am working as a general practitioner in Saudi Arabia. I passed my MRCP exam in January 2025. I would like to share my journey of MRCP Part 1. I started preparing my exam 5 months before the exam date. For good preparation and to pass exam, my first and most important advice is that you need a good tutor who guide you how to study and what to study to pass the exam. I started with PASSMEDICINE question bank and high yield theory from PASSMEDICINE. I managed to finish 2 times question bank and 1 time theory in 3 months duration. I passed my FCPS Part 1, MDMS Part 1 and Saudi medical assessing exam in a first attempt, so my confidence was high that I will pass MRCP exam also. But every exam having different strategy and you must need a person who guide you how to study. So I am coming on main point. Just before 2 months of exam, when I started to solve past paper, I faced much difficulties while solving the past papers and most of the questions got wrong. Then I came to know Dr. AHAD'S MRCP syndrome. I contacted with him. He suggested me 2 courses, past paper course and MADBOX course. After solving past papers and studying MADBOX, you believe me, my approach was totally changed. He taught how to approach the exact answer and exclude the irrelevant options. These 2 courses clear my concept and made me confident for the real exam. I will recommend for all doctors, those are preparing for MRCP, to take Dr. AHAD course. All the courses are so structural and concise. He is a great mentor. He is always available to help when need. I touch with him throughout my preparation. In the end, I would like to thank Dr. AHAD. Without his guidance and effort, it was not possible.